Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are my forecasts for the week starting Monday the 5th of October until Friday the 9th of October. But first let's go back to last week and see what happened. Here is the Australian dollar against US dollar chart on the 4-hour, and we wanted to go short, but unfortunately the market stayed within a range. It didn't move much, so the targets were not met. Now let's have a look at Euro USD. The Euro USD also remained within a very short range and it didn't move much. Then the GBP USD also stayed within a range. They didn't move, so we did not achieve our targets. And the USD CAD, it went a little bit near our target, but then it came back, and this too stayed within a range, didn't move much. Then we have the USD JPY, that again stayed within a range, didn't move much. Then we have the USD Swiss franc, that too didn't move much. The entire week, all of them didn't move much. They just stayed within a range. And then the New Zealand dollar, it went slightly up, but still we did not achieve our targets. So there was nothing really for last week. Now let's go and have a look what's in store for this week. This week we are going to go short on AUD USD. Our first target is going to be at 0.6999 and the second target at 0.6907 with the bounce back or the stop loss at 0.7417. Then we are going to short the Euro USD as well, with our first take profit at 1.1605 and the second take profit at 1.1425 with the stop loss at 1.2019. Then we're going to short the GBP USD as well, with our first target at 1.2656 and the second target at 1.2506 and the stop loss at 1.3409. Then we're going to go long on USD CAD with our first target at 1.3427 and the second target at 1.3645 with the stop loss at 1.2987. Then we're going to go short on USD JPY with the first target at 103.95 and the second target at 102.35 with the stop loss at 107.63. Then we're going to go long on the USD Swiss franc with the first target at 0.9303 and the second target at 0.9458 with the stop loss at 0.8983. And lastly, the New Zealand pair, we're going to go short on New Zealand dollar US dollar with the first target at 0.6504 and the second target at 0.6386 with the stop loss at 0.6805. So these are the 7 major pairs. So I hope you will do well this week, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.